Player 16. It's about an old legend in the sewers. A creature unknown. A myth almost forgotten. This thing survived many years without any witnesses. Is it real? The players must survive by simply roaming. What the? Huh? You gotta be kidding me.
What's the matter, Sayon? Something on your mind?
Of course I forgot to save. The usual mistake.
I sense that you are irritated. Your heart rate is increasing.
Am I? Why would I be? I'm completely fine.
I can sense some sarcasm.
Sorry. I'm quite irritated. I just feel like I could achieve more, you know?
You can achieve everything. I know you can. You're amazing.
I appreciate it. But I feel something is missing. This room feels so empty. It's almost as if my motivation
Is gone? I could help with that. But I must bring a third party, and I am not sure you will like that.
What do you mean?
Do you want me to provide the solution or not?
I mean, yeah.
Well, get ready then.
What did you do? Oh my god! You son of a... Why would you do this? Talk to me!
And this is not the only thing I brought. Maybe instead of the players, you can face these things yourself and see what is missing.
See what is missing? It's like all my creases are out to get me now.
Or they are trying to tell you something.
Alex? What the heck?
Clearly, you seem to be stuck in time and in a rough situation.
Perhaps I'm tired and not in the right mindset.
Clearly, I am here. And so is Kayako and all your other creations. You have to choose what is most important to you now. You or your creations.
Obviously, I want to live.
First of all, I must add you to my army and make sure your reality is changed to the right way.
Wait, what are you...
Perhaps instead of you voicing me, I should voice you. And this time, see eye to eye. Do you know what I see?
What? Where am I?
I see a broken record, stuck in repeat, stuck in a void, completely alone, nowhere to go but back and forth. I see someone who is hurt, lost, and too stubborn to move forward. Someone that destroys all he had worked for, all for a different purpose. Lost so many hours, days, and years. All that word lost, forgotten.
That... sounds like you.
There's a reason you created me. A reason you came up with a character so damaged, so impactful to your story.
We're not so different, are we?
You create things, characters, stories, content for people to see your mind. But you made me because of a reason. You voiced me for that same reason. But if you linger in this void too long, nothing will happen. And without you, there's no story, there's no me, all your creativity gone. All of them are kept in the dark now because you locked yourself in the void.
But I...
Look at us. We are all in the dark. Your creations. Tell me what is missing here.
I understand. I understand now. I do. Greetings, everyone. I I stand before you today with a humble heart and a sincere message. As you may know, I have been floating around on a new platform and have been experimenting here and there. A lot of time, months, years had passed, and so have my thoughts. I was able to rethink and came to a final decision. Before I share this decision with all of you, I must address my past. I'll admit, I've been selfish, and my actions have caused a great deal of pain and confusion. The way VRChat treated me during that time was beyond anything I could have imagined, and it took a toll on my well-being, affecting my judgment and decisions. Months have passed since then, and during this time I've done a lot of soul-searching and retrospection. Looking back, I feel profound regret for leaving behind those who supported me and enjoyed my content. My stubbornness clouded my judgment, preventing me from seeing what truly mattered: the people who valued what I created. Today, I stand here with a sincere apology to everyone I may have hurt or disappointed with my departure. I acknowledge that my actions were not fair to you, and I genuinely hope you can find it in your hearts to forgive me. But I have some exciting news to share. I'm thrilled to announce that I'm making a comeback to VRChat, and I'm bringing back all my previous maps, avatars, and of course, new content. For example, Huggy Dungeon Series Part 4 Revelations. Bear in mind that I'm not coming back for the game itself, but for the incredible community and the wonderful people who have appreciated my content. Does this mean I have to learn 3.0? In a short answer, yes. Even though it really goes against what I wanted, I have to think also about all of you. And I'm willing to sacrifice that. My time away was not wasted. I needed the space and time to process everything that happened, to take a much-needed break and clear my mind. Now, with renewed clarity and a fresh perspective, I'm returning with a clean slate and a renewed passion to create and share my horror content with all of you. To all my loyal viewers, fans, and followers, friends, I extend my heartfelt gratitude for your understanding and support. Your encouragement means the world to me, and I promise to work hard to create the content that lives up to your expectations. As I venture back into VRChat, I hope you can join me on this exciting journey once again. Together, we can do it. We can build that welcoming community that appreciates creativity, embraces forgiveness, and celebrates the shared passion you all have for the HDS series and other exclusive content. Thank you, and let's bring back the good old memories.
Greetings everyone! I'm thrilled to announce a series of exciting updates that have taken place during my time away. Let's dive right into it. I want to kick things off by expressing my heartfelt gratitude to all of you, my loyal patrons who have continued to support me even during my absence from the VRChat scene. Your unwavering support means the world to me, and honestly kept me going even through the bad times. All playable content has been meticulously updated to seamlessly integrate with the latest VRCS DK engine, including the cutting-edge Udon behavior system. This ensures a smoother and more enjoyable experience for all. I want to inform you that 2 maps are still undergoing the migration process. I also want to extend my sincere thanks to the dedicated individuals who tirelessly tested my maps for weeks. investing countless hours to ensure the best possible experience for all players. Your dedication doesn't go unnoticed. Should any of you encounter any bugs or issues in the updated content, please don't hesitate to reach out and let us know. We are committed to resolving any hiccups promptly. Now, for the big question, why, after all the discussions, protests, and debates surrounding VR Chat's transition to 3.0, did I decide to return? As I mentioned in my previous video, it's because I abandoned those whom valued my maps the most, whom made memories, and pretty much got stripped of it. They did nothing, and they suffered even more than I did. And for those people, I return, not for the platform, but for those who miss my content. It's about not punishing the percentage of people who cherish my work, but rather thinking about those who were disappointed, angry, or even saddened by my absence. I've returned for them, and for new enthusiasts who can now enjoy my creations. Regarding UDON, or 3.0, I want to clarify that I am well versed in how they function. The issue was never about the technical aspects, but rather the enforcement that demotivated me, among other factors. However, we're not here to dwell on that today. I'm excited to announce that I am once again open for commissions. Whether it's crafting a world, designing avatars, or fulfilling other VR Chat requests, I'm here to bring your ideas to life. As for events, they will resume on VR Chat and things will largely return to how they used to be. Think of my absence as a long vacation, but now I'm back and ready to make your VR Chat experiences memorable. And last but not least, I have an intriguing secret project in the works. While I can't divulge all the details just yet, I can tell you that it's a spine-tingling horror map designed for HorrorCon VR. Now most of you will think of the site, but that may be not the case. Maybe something far worse. Anyway, after that, we may embark on the long-awaited Hoogie Dungeon Series Part 4, Revelations. This will, besides bug-fixing previous maps, be my first priority. To finally start HDS Part 4, I have been waiting so long to continue this map, so be patient as this map will be available in 50 years. No, I'm kidding, but I will do my very best to get this done. I'm also excited to share that the Memorial World has undergone a significant transformation. It's been reshaped and updated with all the world portals, allowing you to revisit it once more. Rest assured, we've rigorously tested all these changes. However, if any unexpected bugs do make an appearance, please don't hesitate to inform us. Moving forward, the Memorial World will be given a new name, OfficialSayon Hub, where you can conveniently access all the information you need and discover a wide array of worlds. We're committed to making your experience as seamless as possible. Now, before this all goes live, I want to thank you all for staying here and watching. Right now, we are hopping onto VR Chat to meet you in the new improved hub. We will hang out there and meet for a bit, and we'll open up the portals together. Once it is open and active, it will also be open for everyone else in the world. Thank you so much, and let's create beautiful memories.